I like ripping open packs. I like bringing you guys this type of content, and I hope you like it too. All right, coming out of this pack, we have Mr. Charles Woodson from the Green Bay Packers. I have Tony Dorsett from the Dallas Cowboys. I have Josh Cribbs from the Cleveland Browns. I have Richard Dent from the Chicago Bears. I have Kris Jenkins from the Cincinnati Bengals, rookie card. I have Cris Carter from the Minnesota Vikings. I have Tyrice Knight, rookie card from the Seattle Seahawks. And the last card out of here, we have Ben Sinnott, rookie card from the Washington Commanders.